Hello guys, today we are going to make the part 2 of what if Goku was sent to King Kai early. Nappa Child was actually born early as soon as Trunks left, so a year later. He was born being 2 years old, but going he saw Android 19 and 20 blowing up a city. The Z fighters racing to them Goku. Using Super Kaioken by 2 going to kill Android 19, but like my other series, Goku got the heart virus and the androids were stronger, being around 400 million at 50% and Android 16 at 800 million. At 50% as the Oringal realizing androids, but how would they compare to SSJ Goku Nappa and Gohan? The humans and Piccolo power awakened. Just as Dr. Gero released the androids, he died when Android 17 kicked his head. Off then androids versus the Z fighters began to commence, and the androids were pushed back. But due to their infinite energy, they destroyed one of the androids, but the androids enraged, both teamed up on Bulma, killing her as Nappa began to villainously shake with Goku. They both transformed, but the defersant was Nappa turned Super Saiyan Rage, and Goku turned SSJ2 as Nappa turned into his brutal side, instead ripping of Android 18 head off, and Goku tried to stop him, but Nappa charged a massive blast at a power of 7 billion and Goku at 3 billion. Goku backed down and ripping Android 16 in half. He died, then noticing Cell he grabbed him, ripping his head off and blowing all his cells away. As Cell was defeated Goku, Piccolo, Nappa, Gohan left and got ready to head home. As they went home, Nappa was thinking of doing something after asking his wife Bulma and inviting Goku. "I'm gonna make a new saga called the Space Saga. This is where Goku and Nappa will go and find some new places and even 2 new foes that they will need to fight." As they built the spaceship, they got ready to leave. Goku practiced SSJ2 and combining it with Kaioken, and Nappa worked on mastering his Super Saiyan Rage form, but Bulma decided to add a new feature, the gravity feature, and a healing pod so they could heal to abuse the Zenkai. Getting ready to train, they said bye to their family and left BTW. In this universe, Goten isn't born due to Goku being in space for 5 years. As they got ready to go and they found a random planet as they saw it, they got ready to land on it, going from planet to planet, seeing if they were anybody strong on the planet. And that's just then when they saw a tree coming out the planet flying down there. Ship almost got shot down, but luckily they began to fly down, colliding into the ground. As Nappa and Goku jumped out, they saw a man standing. They immediately transformed, but this man was known as Turtles. But just as they released a aura, then Turtles' power began to increase very fast.